Hello, this is Frank. We are going to do deposit canning and bottling. It's season 2 and I promised everything to be in English. What can we find? It may be not much for being in the start, but later this week I will guide you on the tour. The tours you have seen that I have done in Dutch, but this time in English. Because I have the feeling like if you want to reach an audience and you only speak Dutch, you can't get pretty far, are you? Now I'm doing this in your language that can be understandable. But first I gotta get to my doctor. That was the first bin that I just passed by. Nothing found here. Maybe next one. But welcome in this new season, because in this season it's just like the previous one. Maybe I will find more, maybe less, but 36 euros. That's plenty for 1 week. Now let's see what we can find in the coming hours and days. First, volunteer, come with me. I always walk this route where people are just chilling and relaxing on the benches, and there are also cans, the trash bags there. For canning, this is a very executive thing. I didn't find things earlier, but no, this one is empty, guys. Target bin A. That's the first one. Got one. Target bin B. Nothing. Target bin C has nothing to give. And this is the final target, bin C. This one has none. Let me browse through this by using the dumpster dive method. Unfortunately, nothing. This one has none. I'm walking this road and then I will see what that square has. It has 4 bins in total after searching this one, and I see what I can get. I think we got one. Let me see this. Yes, it has. 1 logo, 1 refund scrap for the canner. Canning is a grindy job. Here we are. Let's see if this space has been occupied or not. We go to can A. I'd have to check this one. Has nothing in it. 2 potential targets in this one. Loading them in. And one comes from Germany. This one has been checked. The third one has been checked and has nothing. The fourth one. The fourth one has one. Let's check if not That was that. Still planning to do one more that has been isolated from the square. Is there any way through this? Oh. Locked. No shit. There's no way to go around it except walking the whole mile back. It's not worth it. It's not worth my time. I didn't expect much from this one over time. This one has already won. Let's see. I thought I saw a second one. No. We're done with this one. Hey, what's this? A shopping cart. Hey, this reminds me of Carl in Bump Simulator. Maybe this evening I want to play Bump Simulator. Hey, nuts for free. Oh really, I'm not kidding. You can get a bucket from this, because here's one tree, there's one tree, here's one, there behind is one, and another one. If you do this all the street, use a broom, man, you can harvest a lot. After taking this path, it has 3 bins. And I'm doing my schematics. When going to the left, hi. Yep, they are all a little bit of a hustle. But let's keep the schedule on for now. Bin 1 has nothing. Bin 2 has also nothing. Bin 3 likewise has nothing. Our next plan is going straight on. We have one bin over here. The other one I already checked has nothing. And then I'm going to the square there, close to my local doctor. Let's see what that has, because I saw some youthful people sitting there having their drinks, and let's see if they have left something for me. Let me check this one. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You disappoint me. Nothing. Hey, right on the sidewalk. You come with me. Empty road. Looks like there was a party and I missed it. You come with me. You two come with me. Checking the bin. Bin is empty. Oh, look in the bushes. Oh wow. That's only one, as far as I can see. The other one seems to be not entirely intact. This one is an old one that has no depository money on it. So let's go and let's go scrapping. Because we need some scrapperoni here. No, and this one has nothing. But there's still one remaining. Now, I have checked this one. Nothing in it. Look what we find on the sidewalk. Yep. You come with me. We have another one on the sidewalk. Let's pick it up. See anything is on there? Yep, bingo. Come with me. What do we find in number 1? There's nothing for now. Checking this one. It may have a potential. No, there's nothing in there. The final bin before I turn into this street has nothing. Target Street. I see 2, but there are 3. Let's go and check them. This one has been checked, has nothing. This one has been checked, has nothing. This one has been checked, has nothing. You guys, this is a real grinding job. It's working hard. It's only late for those if these people have a good condition and are suitable to do hard labor, such as me. This one has been checked, but has nothing. We continue on. You know, if spaces are occupied, I don't want to create a hustle or any inconvenience. That's why I keep it sportive. You know, sometimes you gotta lose only in order to win. Yet again, this one has been checked, has nothing. Let's continue on, shall we? Down and say to hell with this checkpoint for now, because this one has been checked, and this one, this time, no luck. We are going to the bus stop. You see it? No comment on this one. You know, you guys. No comment on this bin. Checked, having nothing. We are nearing a checkpoint. A possible potential checkpoint. I'm not expecting much on a Monday. Checked and having nothing. Let's continue this way. Is our luck turning in our favor? Is it? Not this one. Oh, forget it. Checked and having nothing. But this one also found checked and having nothing. Continue this way. While I'm looking around, I may have a few options left. But you know, my legs are getting kind of tired and I want to call it a day. It has been enough. You gotta be grindy and grindy. And perseverance. For me, this is a lesson. Think about you. It's a lesson about humility. It's a lesson about how to love, how to be empathic, but still, it is just a life lesson. You go around, dumpster dive here and there. I strongly believe that this is also a lesson of authenticity, where you don't care about how other people may think about you, also known the fear of man. Because when you have fear of man, you cannot do this job, canning and bottling for 15 cents each. It's more than the USA. Wait a minute, are you guys? Oh yeah, here we are. It's a lesson to see each opportunity presenting itself. Now I'm dumpster diving. Another one. I have checked it really thoroughly. Hey, don't forget to put the money on this one. You guys suck when you don't do it. I don't mean you, audience, I mean the company. Ooh, look at the butt comes behind me. Just run it out. And this is the last one I'm checking. No, it's time to go home. Okay, camera is still rolling. And you know what, guys? In spite of not having seemingly found much, you can still check here. It has something. It's not totally nothing. For day one, it's not a bad day. Tomorrow, I cannot say what I'm going to do off cam or on cam. I bet you guys that I find more if I'm not using my camera at all. Things that I ignore in silence. Can you remember? Yeah, that type. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Okay, here we go. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. Yay! Hey, look, my little friend, what I got here. Oh. After a day of hard labor, I almost forget about you. Yeah, I almost forget about you, my lord darling. Yeah. Enjoy the rest of your meal. Huh? What are you looking at?